So let's get started. Today's agenda for this session is basically we want you guys to know. So there are many platforms out there which you can take. So this entire session is about that. They'll be guiding you, Nandu Bhaiya and Pavan. So you don't have to pay anything for any course. Especially there are certain courses which are of nominal amount, like around 200 to 300, like it's like a burger cost in McDonald's. So obviously it would suffice you rather than paying thousands to some uh, college recommended courses or any courses. So that's the thing. Even you can do NPTEL courses too. And yeah, there is a question. After 4 years, new artificial mining technology is coming in India. Is it real? Yes. Whoever it is, 507 Cycron, that is true. The future is all about artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's all about computers. See, you. I guess by the next year ending, you'll be having 5G technology. At least in the US, it'll take time in India, but then in the US they'll be having 5G technology, and as well as
Okay,
we'll
we
get
urge everyone to keep the questions till the end of the meeting, because if you keep asking doubts and questions, now we won't be able to proceed any further. So
yeah,
we,
because you guys have to. I mean, at least we'll let you know what all
yeah,
things are there, and then you can
at
put
least
all
just
your shower
let
your
us
questions.
finish all these. Then you can ask anything you want.
And then somebody asked me about placements. Let me even tell you about that. We come from a three-tier college, guys. If you know what a tier three college is, we are not ranked with a good grade, that is NAC, be it NAC or NBA. And if you want to know about your college placements, talking about the numbers, I can tell you if you go to the office recently. I mean, I guess you guys have not gone recently. We did go like 1 month back. There was NBA inspection in our college. So they did ask us about placements. The average salary is about 3.5 to 4 lakhs in our college, and the don't worry, the highest is around 7 to 8. So it's not that you can't stand out. I mean, this is a place like we start. The main purpose of starting this club was to move together. Like we can give a helping hand to each other. We are in the same place as you are. So at least if you guys come in pace with us, like you guys start doing courses, you guys get acquainted with all the platforms which you have around you. See, it took us more than 7 months. The last lockdown, we wasted our time just knowing what the courses are, like which courses are better for you, for which will be better and which is trending. So we wasted that much time, and it like we did take time to filter out the best. So we don't want you guys to go through that. They're like Pawan is there and Anandu, they'll be telling you what all courses we filtered it out. Like me and Athur, we did machine learning, and Akriti is there. Vishala, they have covered web development courses, and last class you had with Aniket and Dinesh. So there are many guys in our group. We do like we work on different platforms. We tried to filter out the best free courses for you so that it'll help you out, guys. And there are so many YouTube channels which you can use without paying anything, so it'll be useful for you guys, is what we feel. And if you guys come in pace with us, like in a month or two, and try covering simultaneously when these guys are taking classes, it'll be useful for you because we can do projects together. Like if some second year guy is there, you have an idea, you can tell us, we'll guide you, and we can do a project together, and we can simultaneously publish papers. We have ACM in our college. The ACM head is here with us. He's Vishal, so he'll be helping you out, guys, for publishing papers. So there are many wide variety of opportunities. Don't feel low. We are all in the same crowd. So we are here to motivate you, as well as you guys, like you guys should know what all means we will be doing for you, and as well as what all is it kept for you. So before that, let me introduce you to our team. You guys must be knowing me because I've taken 2 sessions for you guys. And the other teammates are they'll be hi. Please switch your video on, guys.
Okay, I guess you guys know us, because if you're there from the first session, so you know I am Athar.
I'm
Um,
Vishal.
I am Pawan. I guess you guys can't see us because I am screen sharing.
you're on your four. No,
If you
and
have,
secondly, you're on your phone. So
ठीक है,
wait,
it's
let
okay,
me
no
screen
problem, no
share.
issue.
Pawan,
At
can
the
you
end
please?
of the session, we'll do a meet and greet session. We'll
And
talk.
yeah.
Chalo, let's continue with this.
And if you have seen in other colleges like CBIT and all, you've seen them like they post stories on Instagram about their clubs and all, right, with their videos on and making it interactive. So we expect the same. Don't feel low because we are here to cheer you up, and if we'll work together. You see, next year you guys will be taking up this club. We are just here for a year, and then we'll be leaving. So Sohaib joined just now. It's okay, not a problem. So if you didn't miss much, it's just the introduction is what you missed. So you have the entire session waiting for you. And yeah, one more thing is if you have any doubts, please don't feel shy to post in the group because we have observed that people are hesitant to post their doubts. You are most welcome. You can text us personally. Even I don't answer questions. Like whenever I'm free, I try to answer some questions. Uh, whoever posts them in the group. So I text them personally. You don't have to feel shy about it, right? Guys, we are here for 4 years, and I mean for us it's just 2 years left. Not even two, just 1.5 year. So you have time around 2 years. Grow, explore. You have many variety of options around you. I mean, computer domain, not only computer, there are many non-technical, there are people who are in the coding field. They couldn't explore much and they end up in non-technical backgrounds. We don't want you guys to do that. As well as there are mechanical guys. If you go to top tier colleges, that is premier colleges, people from mechanical, electrical, civil and all, they get into like Goldman Sachs. They get into the big four, that is Deloitte, KPMG. They get into the coding field even if they're from the core background. So don't get demotivated. Work on yourself and don't waste time. Is what I'll tell. I mean, even we did waste time, so we are asking you guys not to do it. So I'll give it to Nandu Bhaiya and Pavan. Like they'll be taking the lead session.
So guys, so yeah, this is Nandu. Sorry, I'm unable to switch my video on, but I promise I'll make it up for you guys. So next slide on. Can you put next slide, please? So guys, you know about Code Hub, what a Code Hub is, right? So it's a club from our college. So you and I, we together learn different types of technologies together. We will explore them and we will help each other out. That's what this club is about. And the few technologies that we will be learning are Python, app development, web development, machine learning, and AI. So I myself, I'm an app developer, so I'm gonna talk about it. So guys, I think now you realize how important it is to have a skill that people around you generally don't. So app development is one such thing. So what is an app? You all know an app, right? A software that is actually intended to run on a mobile device is called an app. So you making an app is one important part where a lot of developers struggle because there is not a single platform for it. So you see there is an Android phone, you see there is an iOS phone. You might have seen the older phones running Symbian or Java OSs. So there is no single platform so that you can make an app for. There are a lot of it, and these we all know we use Instagram now, we're using Zoom is all looking at those apps and using them. It's quite an easy task, but when you see the dirty work behind it and when you see how they are made, it's actually the toughest thing in the whole development industry from what I feel. So guys, next slide. So there are two different ways in which an app can be made. One, straight to the platform native, or to a cross-platform or hybrid one. And there is also a third one called web apps. So first I'll talk about web apps. Web apps are nothing but websites that are just supposed to look like apps, like the Instagram Lite you use, the Twitter Lite you use, or the Facebook Lite you use. Those all are web apps that just look like they're apps. So to talk about the native apps, you see some apps those are just made for one different kinds of platform. So if you see an app that's only made for Android, it's a native app. If you see an app that's just made for iOS, that's called native app for iOS. So to code to make apps for Android, you need to use languages called like Java or Kotlin. If you want to make apps for iOS, you need to use languages like Swift or Objective C. But what if I tell you guys there are certain frameworks using which you can develop apps for all kind of platforms. See, if you take React Native, that's a framework made by Facebook. you can compile apps to both Android and iOS. Just the same way, there is also called Xamarin. You can also make cross-platform apps using it. Uh, Now talk about something that I'm using or something that I've learned. It's called Flutter. So Flutter is one such framework made by Google. So the apps like Google Pay you're using now, or the Stadia that's not launched in India, but it's a gaming platform made by Google. That's also made by Flutter. So Flutter is one such framework using which you can make apps for all kinds of platforms. You can make apps for Android, you can make apps for iOS, or you can make apps for web, or you can make apps for Windows or Mac OS as well. So that's pretty much that's pretty much everything about the frameworks that are available for cross-platform development. So guys, this is basically how app development is done. Uh, can you please go to the next slide? So we are not here to teach you everything, but here are the few courses that we took and we learned, so that we filtered the best ones. So the first one is complete 2021 Flower Development Bootcamp with by Dr. Angela Yu. So this one is on Udemy, and the second one, Flutter and Dart, the complete guide, is made by Maximilian Swajmura. This is also on YouTube, and there are other free ones as well. We will just send you the links. So my specialization, I told you, it's about app development. If you have any kind of question, like is app development good enough? Is it future proof, or uh, uh, does it? If I learn it now, will it be helpful for me, or will it be helpful for my career and all that? If you have any kind of question, you can just text me right now, or you can ask by turning your mics on. We will share that PPT definitely.
Okay, I would suggest everyone see what are the different domains in computer science and then choose one thing and you can ask doubts. So let's continue.
Yeah, like okay, we'll do that at the end. So like let's talk about web development. Even I am a Flutter developer, like the Nandu Bhaiya. So even I am an app developer, but I know about web development. So I guess basically everyone knows what is a web development. Developing all the websites you see every day, from Udemy, Facebook, Instagram, and all the things you search on Google. All these are websites. So like basically, a website has two parts. That is a front end and a back end. The front end is what you see on your screen, all the UI widgets, all the like the stuff you click, all the stuff you type. That is a front end, and the back end is what happens, like where it is stored, where like how they are what do you call maintained, or the servers are maintained, and how the data is transferred from your computer to their servers. This is all backend stuff. And I guess most of us have like listened the word full stack developer, and I guess many of you have seen like in resumes or like in advertisements, we need a full stack developer, we need a full stack developer. Like what is a full stack developer? A full stack developer is a guy who does both the back end dirty work and the front end UI, the beautiful work. So you can choose. First you can learn how to develop a front end website, and all the like front end developers need to learn about HTML, CSS, and all and JavaScript. Like these are used to design the website, how to like make it beautiful. You must have seen Facebook, like the old one. It used to look like dirty, all that thing. And now when you open the Facebook, it looks so beautiful, like all the glass morphism effects and all. That is all the thing. That's all the like front end work, and the back end are all these technologies. And like you must be seeing all the front end, back end databases, and all this all this DevOps thingy. So these are all the things you need to learn if you want to become a full stack developer. So these are few things which you need to, with like few courses which will help you to learn the front end, back end, and all the other stuff. Let's just see like how does this course look. So like all these websites we put here are clickable. So we'll send you all these links in your group so that you can access them. And this is a I would recommend this one, like Free Code Camp. This is the one where I learned from.
Yes.
That's useful.
Yeah. So like these are the courses, like this makes you learn HTML. You can see here. This shows how to insert an image. So these are like all the things you need to learn. There are many more things. If you can go on, scroll. There are many more things to learn than we are showing here. These are just like you're just scratching the upper part of it. So yeah, like we'll send you all these links to your group. And now like Athara will tell about Python.
Uh, okay, guys, see, Python we have taught in the first 4 sessions. So, can anybody tell me what apps are built using Python, or like any major thing which you have seen using Python? I'm waiting in the chat box. What have you seen? Like, which is the biggest and most recent and most visible example you can see from Python? You'll be very surprised to, okay, one I've got. See, Sumit. He has told Instagram. Yes, Python is used to host Instagram. It is basically a framework called Django. So that is written in Python and that hosts Instagram. So what are the career opportunities using Python? Yes, you can go into data science. You can go into machine learning, deep learning. All these new words of artificial intelligence and all come under Python only. Then you have OpenCV, computer vision, and automation packages using Python. These all have come under one umbrella, which is the Python language. And you will be very surprised to know that Python is older than Java. So you guys might be thinking Java is hard and everyone is saying Java, but Python was actually developed before Java. Okay, Pawan, next slide. So we have courses for learning Python as well as machine learning. And for this we have, okay, I'll show, can I share my screen? So we have a website. Can you see my screen? If you can see, just put it in the, like, Pawan, can you tell me?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. So see Kaggle. Okay. This is my, this is where I started learning machine learning. You can learn Python anywhere from a book or a YouTube channel. It is easy. Don't go into the syntaxes of Python. That is pretty easy because it is basically English. So I started with machine learning from Kaggle. So there are small courses over here. This is a website. We'll share you the link. So there are small courses just like Python, 7 hours, intro to machine learning, data visualization, pandas, feature engineering, cleaning. Everything is there. Even SQL, AI ethics, deep learning. So we have plenty of courses, more than, I guess, it's more than 20 courses are there. So you can use this. And then one of my favorite machine learning courses is from Google, Google Machine Learning. Okay, I'm searching it in front of you guys, so you can also start using Google and uh, learn something. See, machine learning crash course. It's on Google Developers. Wait, how do I move this? See, machine learning crash course. It is with TensorFlow APIs. Matlab, it is a it is a framework based on Python. So you can use this also. There are 25 lessons, 30 plus exercises. Everything is there, and it is all free of cost. The last, wait, all these are free of cost. The last one I showed, Kaggle, was also free. This is also free. A self-study guide, and you have to do it on your own. You have to do the dirty work on your own. Then where to use all this? Like, if you're doing machine learning, you need a good computer, right? You think you need a good computer, or you need a laptop, or a very high-end GPU or something like that. No need. You don't need anything in that. We have a Google Collaboratory. Google has launched a platform where you can just type Python code and it will run on its on Google server. Like, you don't need to purchase a high-end laptop or use a very good GPU or something. It just takes a few moments to load. See, let's see, यहाँ पे है. ठीक है? It is like a notebook. You can just type and the output will come right below it. See, let's see a code over here. It tells seconds in a day. So seconds in a day is basically 16 to 24. So it is running on cloud computers using Google servers, and it is giving the Python output. Okay, let's see. You know Python print, let's say hello world, uh, and see it is printing hello world on the Google server itself. You don't have to worry about your laptops overheating or something like that. You have GPUs also into this. So if you're going into deep learning or going into image processing or something like that, you don't need to worry about it. So this is there, and it is, yes, somebody saying it is a fancier version of Idle. Yes, you can say that it is all interactive. There. Similarly, we have Kaggle notebooks also. Okay, I forgot to tell you. See, Kaggle. I prefer Kaggle because you have a huge community where you can get a lot your doubts solved. You can ask doubts. You have all the people who are into data science over there. Like there are competitions also. You'll be surprised to see like you'll get $90,000 if you solve this competition, or if you got the first prize in that. So these are all the paid competitions. You can go into it for free, and if you get some good rank, you will get paid. And this is Kaggle is by Google. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm telling you now, but Kaggle is by Google. And last year, I guess there was a price of $1 million for detecting deep fakes. You guys know what is deep fakes? Can anybody tell me what are deep fakes?
If anyone knows, they can unmute yourself.
Anybody? Deep fakes? You see people swapping faces around you. Somebody has swapped their face with Shah Rukh Khan or something like that, and
Or
then
Jack Sparrow.
or Jack Sparrow or like Tom Cruise, and they're only doing all these stunts in Mission Impossible. They just swapped
So
their faces
no,
out.
I
So
think nobody follows David Warner today.
okay, so like there are applications using machine learning where you can swap faces also, and it is running in. Okay, let me show you a GIF. Wait, deep fake GIF. Can you see, like, do you know who Donald Trump is? Like the last president of United States. So somebody made a GIF of him. So let's say there's a comedian Jimmy Fallon, and people made a GIF of him. Let's say it is loading right here. See, yeah, this video. This video I was talking about. Okay, it is asking for cookies or something. So if you can see, this is the comedian and this is looking like the US president. So there is no, like whatever this guy is doing on the left, the right guy will follow, but the faces are swapped. Even people can't tell. You can't discern ki bhai it is true or it is false or something like that. So that is there. And deepfakes. So Google offered $1 million if somebody could come up with an algorithm who can discern deepfakes from actual images. Huh. Okay, somebody is writing in the chat. Okay, ठीक है. Any doubts on what are machine learning and how to get started into all of that? I have told you about machine learning and deep learning only. Python is very simple and it can be followed on basic courses on Google and YouTube. If you still have problems in Python, I can suggest you a course using Udemy. Udemy is a very good site. The only thing is you have to pay a nominal amount. It's like 400 rupees and you'll get, okay, ठीक है, it is showing 4,000 rupees, but I'll tell you when there is a sale or something like that, it will come down to 300 rupees or something. I did all my courses from here only, so it will come down to 330 rupees. We'll tell you when this sale will be on. ठीक है, तो this is a very good course. See, I have done some courses. There was only 300 rupees, so I did all these courses from here. 300 is basically nothing. Like it's just one burger and McDonald's. So that's the same price as one course, and it will help you a lot. Kaggle may you have
The
huh?
the offer still is there for the new like new accounts. If you make a new account in Udemy and you can get an offer like pretty cheap, like 300 to 400 a
Yeah,
Porsche.
300, 400. We'll tell you when the sale is on. It was on like 2 days before I checked, so it was there. And then Kaggle has its own notebooks also where you can use GPUs. You have data sets. Data sets are there. Like if you want to know about pizzas, what pizza will you recommend, and what type of uh, people eat what type of pizza. So you have all this. Like data sets are there, and it's like a big Excel sheet, and you have everything in there. See. Time is also there, timestamps are there, gender of the person, everything is there. A little bit spicy, moderate spicy, these are the reviews. So if you can form something using all this into a algorithm which suggests ki what pizza will you eat, so you'll get some prize or something like that. Competitions are there. Please do check it out. We'll send you all the links of this.
No, this group is actually for everyone, not just for CSC students. Anyone who
Ah,
is interested in tech, yeah, you can join this group.
okay, this, yeah, it is. This group has only one requirement. You just have to be active in any one of the technical field, like anything you want. We have 5 domains, which is what are the 5 domains? One is machine learning, artificial intelligence, Python, competitive data structures, and all. Then web development, app development. Like all these are the domains of computer science. So you just have to be active in any one of those and show us. We'll add you in the selected group also. Okay, somebody
So
has a
yeah,
doubt. I had interest in this, but I didn't have an idea about this above you explained. Okay, we'll tell you all this. I guess I missed some Coursera courses also. Wait,
yeah, Coursera is important.
Pawan, can you show
So
Coursera?
let me show.
Coursera has everything like sociology, physiology.
Yes, Coursera has everything from medical sciences to business management, English courses. So everything is there. So
It is also it is an application actually for phones.
you
Yeah,
can.
and
Them do,
secondly, you
yeah,
can
all
do
of
it.
them do.
You
We
can
have
do it for
applications for
free.
Udemy also now. I think so.
Yeah. Udemy also has an application.
Okay, so everything is
Udemy
there.
has. And guys, somebody texted me in the middle. I guess Vaishnavi texted me asking about Coursera courses. So, guys, don't worry. You don't have to pay anything. By mistakenly, never pay anything in Coursera. You can apply for
Coursera,
a.
we have to pay for the certificates only.
No, we have
No, you don't
a
have to pay.
thing
Yeah,
which is
like
called
if you want a certificate, then you can pay.
just a
If you don't,
second, bro. Just a second.
Here,
Just a
See,
second.
see,
there is a
there
thing
is a
called financial aid
financial aid.
available. So we'll
This thing.
we'll give you the thing which you have to write in the application, so you get it for free. So if you are in the selected group, we'll give you what to write and what to do because
You just
you're showing
apply
interest.
the own. Can I speak? Yeah. The only thing which you have to do is wait for 15 days for your application to be accepted. That's it.
That's it. You don't
Yeah.
have to
See,
pay
yeah.
anything, even for the certificate.
yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
It's free of cost. Just know that, for which we wanted to let you know that, yeah, even Edureka is good. Yeah. Yeah. Mithun, you were telling about Edureka. See, there are many online platforms. Yeah, I'll even suggest you, if you're into machine learning or data analytics, go with this Analytics Vidya. Even that is very good. And YouTube channels are obviously there. They told about Code with Harry, I guess. And the other
Yeah,
YouTube
Code
channel
with
is
Harry.
Corey Schaffer. There's this
There's a
Corey
very
Schaffer
good,
guy.
beautiful course. There's a guy called Harry.
Code
Okay,
with
this
Harry.
guy makes beautiful courses on every language available, and it's in Hindi. You can understand it easily.
As well as English. And yeah, even one more thing, if you want to, I'll even suggest you one more YouTube channel. If you want to study for your semester exams, that is, you have your semester in a week, and yeah, in a month probably, and you don't know where to which channel to search, go with Knowledge Gate as well as Gate Smashers. They are good. Yeah, I mean, for your semester exams and easy engineering classes too, because
Yeah,
they
we'll
help
share
you
those
understand.
links also because you are struggling in your
Yeah.
semesters also. So we'll
Yeah,
give you those links also.
yeah, because it'll help you guys
Well, better
understand your
share them in
concept.
classroom because everyone is available there. So we'll share them in
Huh.
classroom.
Uh,
We'll share
uh,
it on Google Classroom.
Whoever is in the meeting, if you can hear me, tell me, are you there in the group, like Code Hub group? Because I guess some people are there.
Yes, both groups.
हाँ, okay, both groups. ठीक है. No, okay, we'll share the link for you guys to join. If you like this meeting, we'll have many more sessions like this.
Yeah, don't
Um,
worry, Ranjit. Athar will share the like.
one
Don't worry,
one.
guys. We'll send them. First, you guys start doing it, then you can store all the work you have done on GitHub.
Those who are
And
not
like,
in the group, please join this WhatsApp group. It is Code Hub group. And those who are already in the group, I have put a message regarding people who are active and inactive who are not joining. So you just have to show us your work, like anything, any coding platform, or you have made a simple website, or okay, let me turn on my video. Okay. So anything you've made, like a simple HTML website, a Python program, or 2 stars in HackerRank is very easy to get. So if you have got any of
see,
those, please share. We'll add you in the selected group.
and even guys, if you get a gold badge, we'll put even post it on Instagram that you guys you will be the achiever of the week. That
Not
this
achievement
guy.
of the week kind of thing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Basically,
but
we'll
then something like
award
that,
you or something like
appreciating it,
that.
because appreciation is important for your work. So if you earn a gold badge, we'll definitely post it on Instagram so that others get motivated for even your face will be on the official page of Code Hub. So yeah, it's like it's on
We
you if
didn't
you
have
want to.
this club when we were in our first or second years, so it was a struggle for us, but I guess you guys are interacting with the seniors and getting to know about courses right now, so that is a very good thing and you should utilize all this. And we are talking to the college authorities about what benefits you can get using in the selected group. This is only for the people who are in the selected group and are doing something. That is why I'm stressing on the word selected.
Selected.
Okay, so
We
ठीक
can't
है.
add everyone. So like you need to do work something.
Somebody asked a doubt. What is this? I have completed basic online Python course in Perfect NANB. Is it okay? Yeah, you can give us the certificate or whatever you've done, or show us something which we can see, yeah, that you're doing
Like
something, or are you active or like that.
any project
Anything.
or program.
And
Even
don't
small
be
projects.
thinking ki I don't have a laptop, ki I can't code. Somebody actually sent me a paper in which he wrote HTML code by his hand. So that guy is there in the GitHub group right now. He does not have a laptop. He does it on his phone and he wrote it down. I think
Yes,
he's.
I am only.
Okay, okay. So that is complete dedication.
No, we don't have IEEE in our college. That is a very sad part. But we do have ACM, that is
Yeah, we
Associated
have
Computer
ACM.
Machine.
But you have this club, right? So you don't need all those. We'll help you out.
Okay, there is a question: which is a better platform, web development or app development? Because you're interested in both. Yeah,
So,
you can
guys,
just
I'm going to answer it. I'm going to answer it.
yeah, sure.
So, guys, app development and web development, it doesn't matter which kind of platform you're on. If you just like making websites, you can go for web development. If you like building apps, you can go for app development. But for app development, you need to have a decently good machine, at least with 8 GB RAM and a decent processor, because so it's kind of resource heavy thing. Web development, even with the 4 GB RAM laptop, you can just go start and learning it. So web development is it's so the community of web development it much bigger when compared to app development community. Or you can either start with web development and then switch to app development, or you can start with app development and then switch to web development like I did. So it doesn't matter where you start and what you start learning with, but the important thing is just start. And let me remind you one more thing: every technology that we've spoken until now, every one of them is tougher. But remember, guys, so you are also tough, so fight it. And when you learn it every day, you will eventually get better and you will help other people as well. Okay.
You guys will be an example for your younger juniors. That is, you'll set an example. I've applied for internships which are yet to start. I don't know what to show right now. I'll send once. Yeah, sure, Gayatri, it's okay. You're in your second year, or like which year are you in right now? You want to talk? You can talk. You're in second year. Yeah, sure. Okay, wait. Yeah, Ranjit.
You can unmute your mic and
Yeah, we have
you
given
guys
you the
can
option
talk.
to
Third
unmute.
ECM Gayatri. Okay, yeah. Okay, nice. Gayatri,
You
yeah,
can
it's
even
fine.
start your video.
You can talk, Gayatri. We're all third years here. So it's fine. I mean, it's not a problem. Everybody is welcome in this group. It's just that you guys have to do something. It's not just like uh, going, if, because once we start conducting meetings physically in college, that is next year, we don't want guys to come sit around and pass their time only, and then we'll be so that you'll be getting attendance and then just whatever it is, that is losing your classes and sitting in the club. We just don't want that kind of people, for which we made it compulsory that people who are having some zeal to work and some zeal to do, only to keep those kind of stuff in the group. That's it. You can do anything you want, even if you're in mechanical field, guys. You anything you can do related to MATLAB or AutoCAD or Octave, anything you can do. You just, it's not necessary that you have to show only coding programs on HackerRank. It's nothing like that. Show any project related to your core branch, but then do some technical stuff, because the world is getting digital now. You can't just remain or restrict yourself only to books. I'm telling about the core, guys. I have a doubt about it too. The internships, many of them are taking webinars. And so just saying joining, having a pre-placement, we are confusing. Okay. Don't fall into that trap of webinars. Webinars are just like an informative session. They just tell you like what it is. Even we are going to conduct webinars, getting resource persons from outside. They'll just inform you like what is the technical scenario outside, as they're elder than us, like somebody from Amazon or Infosys or some other college R&D lecturer, something like that. But if you want, see, you if you want to do an internship, go for an initially. I mean, if you have a good background on coding and all, you'll get paid once, or else you have to do an unpaid one during the
And you have to
start.
do many projects too.
Yeah,
You have to
first you
work
have
a
to do
lot.
many projects, and for that you need to see, you need to keep your basics well. Then it take baby steps, guys. Don't see there's it's a huge ocean outside. If you leap in it, you'll start getting worried and feel low. Don't do that. And for internships, there are many platforms like Internshala. I'll suggest you guys to be very active on LinkedIn. Start building your
LinkedIn,
profile
yeah.
right from their second year,
Yeah,
because
I'll
LinkedIn
share
is
my
going to
screen. Whatever Didi is talking, I'll show it to you.
Yeah, Internshala is a very good platform, and
Okay.
even Indeed is really good. See, guys, just note it down, because we might
We,
miss something while telling it in the
Sharing
group.
in the group.
Yeah, because we'll send the PPT, but then something which we get on the spot, you might miss it, and while posting it on WhatsApp. So I'll suggest you go with
See, there are
Indeed.
so many internships, Hyderabad, work from home, everything is there, like all types of
Yeah,
internships,
we did
whatever you
1 to 2
want.
internships from here. Atharv, show them Indeed also. Indeed is also a good platform for
This
you
is
for
LinkedIn.
internships.
You have notifications, you can write a post, you can connect with people. This is my
Yeah.
profile, and this is Didi's profile. She has done something. See,
No, I haven't done much,
yeah,
but
so
still, like,
you can put your college there and where you're from. This is basically like a resume, what you're showing to the prospective people who are going to hire you.
yeah. And the
So
main thing is on LinkedIn, it's not like Instagram to gossip with people. You
Yeah.
get to
It is
know,
like it is like Instagram, but official Instagram.
yeah,
People
you get to know people
people
who
don't
have
shit.
done. Yeah,
see,
true.
you can share your certificates. Like Didi has 4 5 certificates like this,
So,
and
dude,
okay, no need
fine.
to
I mean,
be like that. Data
okay.
analysis and this subject matter expert, everything is there for the. So everything she has done, it is there in the LinkedIn profile.
And
So
yeah, you
So
can add your
if
GitHub repo, like
anyone,
Pawan was telling about GitHub. We'll conduct another proper session on it, because GitHub will confuse you definitely. In our college, which has interacted, I didn't get you. In our college, with seniors and good internship you face, it can join. I can't. Can you elaborate? Is it better so good
yeah, it is
internship?
better if you speak up because we can't
yeah,
Yeah.
understand. Like,
See, you can talk in Telugu. You can talk in Telugu. You can talk in Hindi. Don't feel. See, we are bad with Telugu, and yeah, I'm okay with Hindi and English. I'm bad with
if we
Telugu, so I
meet in
prefer a
college, you
common
can
tongue.
talk to us too.
Yeah, we
I guess
prefer a common
it
tongue.
will.
So for us, it is English. You can talk in Telugu. There's nothing to be shy, guys. Nobody will judge you here. All of us are learners. We all are in a learning stage at some point of time. Some might be in the initial stage, some might be in an intermediate stage. That's all. There's nothing to be shy. You can please talk. You can ask your doubts, and you can post, you can text us personally, whatever doubts you have.
And
Yeah,
if you
and
are using a laptop, I would suggest you just download VS Code. Okay. I'll tell you what VS Code is. Okay, I'll give you the website only. It's better if I show you the website. VS Code. Here you can code any language, any platform. Everything is there. See.
And
Okay.
it has extensions.
Extensions also Python hai, and then C++, Java, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS. Everything is there.
You can code any language in it. You can do web development, you can do app development, anything.
We'll share you this link also. So if you are noting it down, somebody please, if you're noting it down, please send it to me also, so that I don't forget what you're telling. Okay, I'm using right now the app Visual Studio. It's pretty good for Python. Okay, you can use Visual Studio. We have PyCharm also. Like PyCharm is basically for Python only. It takes a few moments for like opening
then
up.
VS Code is suggested if you want to explore.
VS
You
Code I
can do
suggest
app and
because
web development too.
it is very light and easy to use, and it opens up fast. PyCharm is a bit slow because it is resource heavy. If you don't have a good laptop with like 8 GB of RAM or Ryzen 5 processor or something like that, it will take some time. So see, it is loading, still loading. So I don't want that. Any more? Anything? Any website you want to see?
Any doubts, guys? You can ask. We're all here.
Like you can show them Sublime Text too.
We have Sublime Text too. Instead of writing codes in Notepad, like usually people say कि write codes in Notepad. You see, go new text document. So you don't have to put it in the Notepad every time. You can use Sublime Text. Okay, it will save all your work. It is faster, and you can code it in any language. Okay, this is all the club work we're going to do. So like I should not be showing this, but it's okay. So here you can see all the languages you can code in. Let's take Python. Python is also there. R, Ruby on Rails, SQL, everything is there. And you can save the file as .py and then use it just like your Notepad also. Okay. Did anyone do an internship from Condura? No, I don't think so.
Actually, the thing is, our college was trying to provide us with the Condura CRT coaching, but then they haven't responded anything now because our college principal
So
has changed.
fourth years have Condura coaching, right? But yeah, internship for internship you need to qualify a test which they conduct occasionally, and they'll only take one or two people like that, not more than that.
Yeah, and even Coursera is good, and even some online platforms are there which are free of cost, which give you good aptitude and as well as CRT training. I don't know when are we going to get from our college. Our principal is changed. Like I want, like if you guys know that. So it's about not having a laptop and making it in the selected group. Okay, somebody has a serious question.
What? Please put it in the everyone thing. Don't message there. We can't read. All of us can't read.
No. Well, I'll tell you. Can see, don't worry, whoever it is, 568, not having a laptop, all you have to do is you just tell us what you have done. At least you're reading a Python textbook on your phone, or you're doing web application like some guy sent on a paper, like Athar was telling.
Yeah,
He
we
wrote
have
he wrote
applications
HTML
on
code.
phone also in which you can code in Python. So that's
Yeah.
not an issue there.
See, you can tell me in what you're actually interested in. 568. If you have that potential to do, you'll definitely find a way to do it. Like there are many textbooks. If you want, there's this Robert Tamasia book for Python. Atharv has it. He can put it in the WhatsApp group. You can read that textbook. It's really amazing for data structures. And if you already know Python, you can read that textbook and understand the concepts. Or
Yeah,
if you
I
ever
have
meet a
almost all the books available on Python, machine learning and data science, and I'll provide it to you on Google Classroom for like you don't have to pay anything. I downloaded it from some site, so I'll share it to you also. Yeah,
Yesterday, Apple in. Okay, yeah.
not yesterday. Okay,
Mac
ठीक
with
है.
them. But whatever it is, don't worry. Whoever asked me to make it to the selected group, I guess you're already. Are you in the selected group?
Yeah, very good they introduced, but I don't know. I'm gonna buy or something. I still use a
Yes.
second-hand laptop, so
No,
it's
I'm
not an
asking
issue.
568. You're not there. Okay. Athar,
What?
just post the WhatsApp selected group ka link.
I posted again. Okay, wait. Everyone.
There are really good specifications in other laptops too. It's not it. I mean, see, it's a choice. It's a personal choice buying a Mac or operating system laptop or a Windows one,
If
and
you're
then
rich
keep
enough, you can.
yeah, and
But
then
the only thing that makes difference is your brain. Like whatever you do, you can code the same thing on Windows, Linux, or
that's
on
it.
Mac.
And the best thing is Linux. If you know Linux, see, I mean, I don't know how to use Linux, being frank. But then it's an open source one. You get everything for free. But Windows, you have to buy. You need to have a key,
So
and
guys,
it's all.
not
But
just for
then
that, if you have a low powered laptop or low spec laptop like that, Linux is very resource friendly. It just uses less than 1 GB RAM sometimes. So if you want to really get started with app development and you have very less resource friendly a PC or laptop, then install Linux on it as a primary OS and start doing app development right away.
at least learn, guys, because see, usually, I mean, the human mentality, we don't have this of using free things. We just start speculating it because we think ki, okay, it's for free. I mean, sorry, it's costly, so that might be good. And okay, talking about Windows, it's user friendly. The UI is very inviting to use, whereas Linux kind of intimidates you or it frightens you not to use it. So that's the only thing of Linux which people don't use. But then we'll suggest you definitely learn Linux. You have Nandu Bhaiya, and there's Adarsh also, I guess, if I'm not wrong, senior, he uses Linux. So
Yeah,
it's not a,
we use Linux. Yeah, we use Linux.
Yeah,
yeah,
this
So
debate
there
can
is
go
no
on
best
forever.
OS.
Like you
which
can just
can be the
Yeah.
keep
best.
asking कि भाई Linux है, and somebody saying Apple है, something like that. But there's nothing as good. There's nothing as bad. Whatever you're doing is great.
Which is the best OS? Talking about
बस
high-end
ठीक है.
business
There's
work.
no need to debate on that, which is best or which is
So about software development, Linux is best, but yeah, it doesn't matter which OS we use.
Yeah, you use.
you can use
That's
whatever you want. Code
but
runs
then
same
don't
in
get
everything. If you print hello world here or over there, it'll run hello world only.
no. But then talking about the generic stuff, Mac is more specific for business-oriented stuff. And then if you're sitting in a AC, dude, like he said, anything is fine. You can use even a gaming laptop for coding, or even
Like
a
Preeti
normal
does.
Windows
Preeti has
XP.
got a gaming laptop, and I got
Shut
a
up.
4 GB RAM laptop, but I upgraded it. I installed an SSD. So if anyone wants to upgrade the laptop, please ask me. I'll help you upgrade it also.
Any cracked versions, anything
Bro,
which you want free of cost,
I need help. Can you buy me SSD?
anything you want free of cost, Athar is there for you guys. He'll get you done. Cracked softwares, cracked Filmora, cracked Windows, cracked MS, everything Athar is the provider. Okay, guys, you don't have to buy anything.
Provider.
So you guys can talk.
Yeah, you guys can interact. This is
It's
becoming
just we are
fun.
talking among ourselves.
You can turn on your
Vishal,
videos also. I've given you the
Vishal,
option.